Hello and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wanted an online platform that make it easy to manage and track your devices? Well, with the growing demand for cab services, the taxi business is growing rapidly. Now is the right time for taxi businesses owner to take their services online with a powerful and feature-rich app. Traditional taxi have evolved into a e-hailing services, and if you already have a taxi app, you are on your way to get success. The global ride-hailing and taxi market is projected to reach USD 639.55 billion by 2032, growing at a compound annual growth rate which is CAGR of 11.34% from 2024 to 2032. In today's video, we will explore the main feature and function of a smart admin panel designed for taxi services platform. Stay tuned to see how it can help streamline your operation, increase efficiency, and grow your business. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you will never miss a new tutorial.
Let's embark on an exciting journey to explore all the amazing features of this taxi app designed just for you. So starting our journey with the splash screen of the Perfect Ride app. Moving on with the onboarding screens by accepting a job, tracking real time, and by earning money. Here you need to allow your live location and you don't need to worry as your data is securely protected and kept private. So let's begin by either signing into your existing account or by creating a new one. For signing in, you need to just enter your registered mobile number and then a verification code will be sent to your number. Verify yourself by entering the code and you will be directed to the home screen. So this is the home screen for the Perfect Ride app. Here you need to enter your starting location and drop off location. You can also select from your saved locations. Then here you have multiple rides available. You can select the ride according to the number of persons you have with you for the ride. You are there, just one more step and you can sit back and enjoy the ride. That is the payment mode. So here you have two modes of payment. That is, you can pay through the online mode or by cash after your ride is completed. Here you have an exciting feature that can save your amount, that is the feature of applying the coupons. By moving further, you will be notified about how much time your ride will take to reach you. You can also contact your driver through call or chat. In case you need to change or add new location, you can also update that. Or in an emergency, you can also cancel the ride. So this is the overview of how your app will work. Here we have some more features. So by clicking on the side menu, you can get to know about some more interesting facts. Like firstly, you can check your account details. You can edit your profile by changing your name, your email or your contact. You can also update your profile image. You can also add or update or delete your bank account and cards. Here you have also an option of checking the history of your previous rides that were completed or cancelled. We can also switch the language to whatever suits us the best. Feel free to check your available balance too. You can also choose to delete your account, or if you wish to open another profile, you can log out also. If you want to invite friends, just share your invite code with them through Messenger, Instagram, or you can share to your suggested contacts. So moving ahead are some more features like FAQ, that are the frequently asked questions. Next is the SOS, Save Our Souls. You can add your emergency contacts here. You can also make complaints about the vehicles or about your rides. Moving next with the notification panel, you can get notifications regarding your activities done while using the app. Next is the section which is about the app. Next is the privacy policy and the terms and conditions regarding the app. So let's move on to the driver side, beginning with the onboarding screens. By registering your vehicle, upload your documents and earn money. So let's get started. You need to allow your location and you don't need to worry as your data is kept private here. Let's begin by either signing in or signing up. If you have already signed in, log in by entering your registered number. A code will be sent to your registered number verify the OTP, and you will be directed to the home screen. And if you are a new user, you need to sign up by just entering your full name, email, and phone number. Verify your OTP sent on your registered number. Then you need to upload some of the important documents like your driving license, your Ghana ID card, your voter ID card, and passport. For uploading these documents, you can choose them from your gallery or you can take a photo. So you will be further directed to the home screen after your documents are uploaded. Here you can check your today's booking and your overall earnings. You will be shown with the list of rides requested. You can decline or accept according to your comfort. If you have accepted a ride, you will be directed to the pickup screen where you can start pickup when you have arrived to the customer, or you can even contact to the customer in case of delays. And when you have ended the trip, you can just click on the end trip and you will be back to the home screen with the new request. So here we have some more features. So by clicking on the side menu, you can get to know about some more interesting things. Like firstly, you can check your account details. You can edit your profile by changing your name, your email, or your contact number. Or you can also update your profile image. You can also add, update, or delete your bank accounts and cards here. You also have a feature of checking the history of your previous rides that were completed or cancelled. You can also switch the language to whatever suits you the best. Feel free to check your available balance also. You can also choose to delete your account, or if you wish to open another profile, you can also log out. Next is you can also invite your friends by sharing the invite code through WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, or you can also share the invite code to your suggested contacts. You can also update your vehicle information. You can also check your overall earnings. You can also manage your documents like your driving license, your ID card, your voter card, and your passport. So moving ahead are some more features like FAQ, that are the frequently asked questions. Next is the SOS, which means save our souls. You can add your emergency contacts here. Then is the you can also make complaints. If you have any complaints regarding your customer, you can register your complaints here. Next is the notification panel. You can get notifications regarding your activities done while using the app. Next is about the app. Moving on with the privacy policy of the app and the terms and conditions regarding the app.